Hi, I am Anas Sabri, the founder of BookAI, which is an AI software as service solution targeting Ontario small to medium businesses, such as dental clinics, chiropractors, barbers, auto services, insurance agents, real estate agents, IT services agents, and more. Now, when you register your business in our platform, you will have your AI receptionist answering calls 24 by 7, booking appointments into your calendar, and capturing revenue that used to go to voicemail. So let's get started. In order to access our platform, you have to go to a web browser and type Book AI. Now here you will see, um, little information about the values that you are offering, the details, and the main goal, never miss another booking call ever. AI that answers your phone 24 by 7, has natural conversation, and books appointments directly into your calendar. So you can focus on what's matter. And in order to start with registering your business in our platform, you have to request a free trial. Here, there's a form. You have to fill the form with your business name, business type, website, your name, the email address that you are using for your business, telephone number, address, how you find us, and submit your request. So what will happen after you submit? It will receive your request and will evaluate, your request and will send you a welcome email. And this welcome email has a link that walk you through how to complete your onboarding into our platform. Now, after that, you will be able to log in. Login in, we try to create a secure methods to log in, either by sending magic link or using the open authentication using Google. So we have created now a trial clinic account just to demonstrate the value of our platform. So let me try to log in using the Google. Now, when you log into the platform, you will have this dashboard, which we call it overview. You will see multiple tabs, and each tab will allow you to define and configure specific attributes to your agent. So overview, you have your phone number. I'll be creating a dedicated video for each tab to explain, how you can manage, how you can use it for the best of your business. You have customized your AI. We give the flexibility to select your services, your business hours, and a lot of other more specific training for your AI to fulfill your specific business needs. Also, we have created web booking, web chat booking. We have multiple interfaces to the AI that you can communicate, and I mean, your customers can communicate with you, with your practice. We have calendar integration, notification, subscription, help, and resources. So the main purpose behind this video is to walk you through the overview tab or page. As you can see, the overview, you will see, the view, total calls, appointments, and satisfaction. We'll start with the view. Each tenant will have his own calendar. Tenant, we call it calendar tenant, right? So here you will see the call that your agent received and book the appointments. So, for instance, if I go to last week, those are the calls that the tenant respond to. So each appointment, we have created a card for it that lists down the patient name, telephone number, email, date and time, service that he has requested, and the status. And also, we allowed, the business user to send email, like reminder email or send reminder SMS to the patient. Email reminder sent successfully. And you can put the notes if you want. So practically, when an agent receives a call, it will create the appointment over here. Not only this, we also created like added more added value to add an appointment from within the platform. If for instance during the working hours your receptionist receive, human receptionist receive a call, she can or he can create like, you know, I will put the name is Fuad, and I can put the 365, let's say 365-888-1732. By the way, this is my number. If you want to and support, you can feel free to contact me or send me SMS. Email address, and I will book an appointment for, let's say, Thursday at 9 a.m. general checkup and create. So what will happen now? It will create, see, it's appearing here immediately, and as a tenant I put my email, you will see that I received this. Hi Fuad, your appointment is there, and we have added also save to your calendar. You can download this, and the customer will be able to add it to his, whatever calendar he's using it. Going back to here, now the other tab is total calls. So this one will show you how many total calls you have received so far, and also will will log the calls that the agent responded to along with the transcript. So what I mean by that, for instance, if I go to here, this call, for instance, see, this is the transcript that has happened. You can, by the way, you can listen to the voice
Hello,
recording.
thank you for calling Dental Touch Clinic. This is AI Assistant. How may I assist you today?
Hello, hi. I need to book an appointment for tomorrow at 11 a.m. I need.
So practically, the call history will show you the capture of the call recording from voice and from transcript perspective. Not only this, you can also receive an email. So this is, if I go to Book AI now as a business practice, I will receive, let's say this one, a new appointment booked. It will send me the transcript. The conversation happened between the agent and the customer, and you can also play the
Hello,
communication. You can hear it,
thank you
right?
for calling Dental Touch Clinic. This is AI Assistant. How may I assist you today?
Hello, hi. I need to book a dental.
Okay, so which means that, any new call, it will be immediately sent to your email, and you can see it. Now, going back here, we have the overview, we have the voice call, and this one will show you the total appointment that you have received so far. And of course, it's organized based on which time date it has been, uh, uh, logged. Here you can see the satisfaction of your end customers. As I mentioned, I want to make this one, this video as short as possible. I'll be creating more videos to explain about the other tabs and to show you the amazing features that we have created to our customers. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Thank you.